Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the carton of plantain that I bought a week ago, because this plantain wasn't the ripe one. Okay, I bought it unripe and I watched some videos on YouTube. Some people said that if you want to ripen your plantain very fast, you should put it inside the oven, then after about 5 minutes then you remove it and tie it. The plantain will ripe fast. While some said if you want your plantain to be ripe very soon, just put it inside the sun. So I got some interesting videos. Some people even said that if you want your plantain to be ripe fast, just buy unripe apple, put it inside, tie it together. After 7 days the plantain is going to ripe. So I did my own method, okay, and the other method I see on YouTube. So let me show you guys. Okay, this is the plantain. You can see it. Okay guys, like the video I watched, I did exactly how the person did it. So first of all, I tested it with one plantain. I put this plantain inside my microwave or oven, anyone. So after about 5 minutes I remove it, then I put it back inside the carton of plantain. Look at what happened. This is what happened. You can see it. Look at it. The plantain is spoiled. Okay, so guys, do not follow any video you see on YouTube. Look at it. I did exactly how the person instructed. The person said put your plantain, your unripe plantain, inside the oven, leave it for 5 minutes, then cover it. After 3 or 4 days the plantain will be ripe. So I did exactly what I watched, and this is what happened.
God have mercy upon us.
You can see it. So guys, do not follow everything you see on social media. Now look at the rest plantain. Yesterday I bring it out, I put it inside the sun, then after about 1 hour I covered it. I repeated it about 3 times. So since I bought this plantain, I have put it inside the sun for about 3 times, and this is the result. You can see it. The plantain is getting ripe. You can see it. So I opened it this morning. I found out that one has already ripe. You can see it. So right now I'm still going to put it inside the sun. Look at the plantain, it's getting soft. Look at it. This one is getting soft. So I did it 3 times. Look at another one inside. There is ripe one inside, guys. Oh my word. Let me bring it out. Wow. Look at ripe one. Wow, 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 wow. Look at it. Look at this one. This one is almost ripe, guys. Oh my god. So I'll be putting it for sun now, about 3 days. Look at it. Wow, the plantain is getting ripe. I'm so happy because I love ripe plantain. Look at it. Guys, I'm here to pluck vegetable in my garden. So this is green. I hope you guys know this vegetable. It's very common in Nigeria. So I planted it in my garden. I'm here to pluck them now. Okay. Okay guys, here's my garden. So I just finished getting the vegetable. I see it.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, I'm about to prepare jollof rice. So here is the rice I'm going to use. You can see it. Then I have my vegetable. This is green. Okay. Then I have my beef, groundnut oil, roasted chicken, scotch bonnet pepper, some Maggi cube, onions, and curry powder. Then I have my tomatoes and salt. You can see it here. So guys, these are my ingredients to prepare jollof rice. So stay tuned, enjoy this video. I'll catch you guys later.